Alright, we're having a night game. We're in the dark. Oh man, this is going to be crazy.
That's fucking sweet.
Oh, they just turned the lights on. Oh, this is going to be fun.
Oh, yeah.
I'm excited.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
A nie pamiętasz, jest jakoś inaczej możesz odróżnić, nie? Nie pamiętasz, jak się odróżniła mapa od tych okay.
You with team?
No.
You go on the other side?
Where do you want me?
On the other side.
Other side.
Thank you.
His name is Jay. He will let you know.
Don't get shot by. They're gonna burn. Don't get shot by TV.
You're gonna run into a stream of people. Because they're gonna blind you.
No, I'm gonna sit here in the corner and wait.
Where you guys going?
I'm gonna be laying down. I'm gonna just hold it up like this.
I want to push right.
I'm going straight up the stairs.
I
All right.
want to, but I don't think I should.
But if anybody sees red, just know this is me.
Are you going up?
All right.
If you see this, it's me.
I'm going to sit with you. I'll wait.
Go in front of me.
Grab the wall. Grab the rail. Actually, they made it a lot better than this. They did.
Oh,
yeah, they got those back.
those back stairs now. That ain't no brand. Ready? Doesn't matter. Go ahead. Go.
Go, go, go. Straight forward, there's a guy. There's a guy at the end of the hall here. I think there's one on this other side of the room here. He's right on this other side of this wall here, and there's one far back. He's on that side wall. Check yourself. I'm out. Oh wait, am I out? That's bounce. No, that's out. I'm out.